Holy crap.
The National Weather Service in Upton, New York has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Passaic County in northeast New Jersey, eastern Orange County in southeast New York, until 7:45 p.m. At 6:58 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. These storms were located along a line extending from 7 miles north of Monroe to Pompton Lakes to 15 miles southwest of Wayne, or along the line extending from 7 miles north of...
We're in it! Holy crap! Wow!
Windsor, Patterson, West Point, and Pop, where the tornado watch remains in effect.
Oh my God! Oh man! Oh man! Oh shoot! Oh my God! Whoa, we have a tree down! Across the river, just fell down. Look at this. Look at this. This is insane. How do you know across the river? I just saw it fall. You're getting hammer wet. Was it a little bit? Yes. Hold on. It's okay, hold on. The visibility's down to 0. Wow. This is the best storm of the season yet. Excuse me, please.
Fine.
This is a very intense storm right here.
Okay.
It's okay. You're okay. Stop. Did you see how much the trees were bending?
How could you see a tree down across the river?
Because as soon as when the straight line winds came in, I saw it right through there.
You're getting your bed wet.
It's okay. I don't care. Streets flooding.
How long is this on?
Not too long. Do you hear that? Do you hear that cracking?
No.
Oh my God!
Is it close?
Oh my God! A big tree just fell somewhere. Do you hear that cracking?
No. Let's fell something.
Careful hydroplaning. Do not drop your view.
What is that noise?
It's the rain.
Oil warning is repeating. Flood advisory has been issued until 8:30.
Wow. I am getting pounded. Oh no! Special Marine! God dang!
The Weather Service in Upton, New York has issued a special marine warning for New York Harbor until 8 p.m. At 7:01 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicates a line of thunderstorms, producing strong winds over 45 knots and a wind shift to the west from 12 nautical miles northwest of Raritan Bay to 8 nautical miles northwest of Raritan Bay, moving east at 30 knots. The thunderstorms will be near Raritan Bay around 7:15 p.m., upper New York Harbor around 7:25 p.m., lower New York Harbor, the Verazon Montrose, Sandy Hook Bay, Sandy Hook around 7:30 p.m. Mariners can expect gusty winds, high waves, and heavy rains.
Doubleheader, please. Doubleheader, please.
Storm passes. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. Tuesday evening for northeast New Jersey and southeast New York. A tornado watch also remains in effect
Wow.
until 11 p.m. Tuesday evening for southern Connecticut.
A special marine warning.
Has been issued until 8 p.m. for the following marine location, New York Harbor. And the following counties in New Jersey, Bergen, Essex, Hudson, and
Maybe next time. Hold on.
following counties in New York. Putnam County in southeast New York. Rockland County in southeast New York.
Wow.
Hudson County in northeast
Look at this.
Essex County in northeast New Jersey. Bergen
Oh my gosh.
New Jersey.
That thing just passed right through me, and there's a,
County in northeast New Jersey. Passaic County in northeast New Jersey. Until 8:30 p.m. At 6:34 p.m. a line of torrential rain extending from central Orange County south into central New Jersey was moving slowly east.
You record me?
no, I'm recording the screen. I got you. It is so dark in here right now.
Between 1 to 2 inches are possible. Motorists can expect great rain.
Holy crap. What was that? My street is underwater.
Another route. Prepare to take action if the flooding threat increases.
Dude, look at this.
Issued. Repeating, a flood advisory has been issued until 8:30 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey, Bergen,
My street's underwater.
and Passaic, and the following counties in New York, Orange, Putnam, Rockland, and
Hold on.
Westchester.
Yeah, I see that. Wow.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey, has issued a flood advisory for minor flooding in poor drainage areas in Warren County in northwest New Jersey, Sussex County in northwest New Jersey.
It's right on top of us right now.
In southeast Pennsylvania, East Central Lehigh County in eastern Pennsylvania, Northampton County in eastern Pennsylvania until 7:15 p.m. At 4:22 p.m., bands of heavy showers were seen moving into this advisory area and will continue into the evening, producing pockets of poor drainage flooding. For the following counties in New Jersey, Middlesex, Monmouth, Morris, and Somerset, the National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey, has issued a flood advisory for minor flooding in poor drainage areas.
This is an intense storm right here.
Central New Jersey, eastern Morris County in northern New Jersey, eastern Somerset County in northern New Jersey,